Anybody, and I mean anybody, can wrap some ribs in some foil and make them tender. The real skill, unwrapped ribs. Look at that bark. Look at that crust right there. No sugar in my rub. This is on a pellet grill. No sugar, no spritz, no binder, nothing. What y'all talking about? Look at that color, baby. What are y'all talking about? Anybody can wrap up some ribs with butter and brown sugar. But can you make some tender ribs unwrapped? Can you do it on any grill? Look at that. That is my Tropical Zinger dry rub. Baby! What you talking about, baby?